TB Nation, what's going on? It's a brand new day, y'all. Real quick before we get into today's video, please like, please comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm headed to the house right now. Today, the water fountain is being installed. The water fountain is being installed. Here's the water fountain coming in. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Yeah, here comes the water fountain, guys. It's coming in. We got a truck pulling in. I'm excited. I'm excited to see the water fountain come in. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, there it is. Y'all supposed to be doing the water too? Everything? The water's right there. But I didn't know, like I said, I didn't know what type of fittings or whatever, but the water's ran out there and it has a cap in it. But like I said, I didn't know.
Yeah, you see, you don't tell that everybody something. You don't tell everybody.
You know what I'm saying? The water line is right here, but once again, yeah, like I said, I didn't know what type of handle needed to be on it. It's right here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. It's got a cap on it. But like I said, I don't know. I didn't know where the water needed to be.
You got hoses to go.
Yeah, I got hoses.
Yeah, you can reach there. Get water. You take the head water. What is that?
That was just a fitting. Because y'all supposed to hook up everything. He didn't? I don't know.
Yeah,
But like I said, I didn't know what kind of caps or water lines. Water just...
Water line. No, you don't have to even run that. The only time you wouldn't need water line when you just put water in it, because all you're going to do is just recycle.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to put a pump or sprinkler or run a sprinkler, then that
would be... What are you talking about? You can put a sprinkler right there.
Yeah, I want to make sure water's always in it.
Yeah. Now, you can run a sprinkler over here, what do you call a float? You ever heard of cow float?
Yeah, float valve, yeah. So when it goes out, that's what I wanted to do.
You can put that in there, so whenever you get low, it automatically put it in.
Right. Like I said, I didn't know anything, man.
Well, he ain't never explained it to you. He don't never explain that to nobody.
I ordered this last year. And he told me that he didn't have a painter to do anything.
Didn't have no painter. That painter right there.
Yeah, that's what he told me. You know what I'm saying? Guys, there's Charles. Charles, what you got on? Charles got on pajamas. Charles didn't go to school today because Charles is home from for Thanksgiving. Here it is, y'all. Look at it. Look at it.
Mommy and me going to the song.
Okay.
What happened to that song? What did you do?
There she is, guys. Yeah, y'all ain't working. You ain't got no help. He ain't got no painters.
I done painted probably 5 of these times since you ordered this one. But see, he'll put it on everybody else.
Wow.
I'm surprised you ain't talking to his old crazy girlfriend.
Whenever you call.
She is stupid too. I ain't cussed out the other day. And
Oh.
I said, I don't care if you tell John Kelly. I cussed out. Rest of you better leave, boy.
Hate to say it's good news. Once you get the fountain running, you might be gonna have to drain the fountain. I don't know how cold it's gonna get, but if you're talking about freezing and stuff, you definitely want to take the water out them big bowls.
Yeah, come a little down, boy. I'll
So
get down with
that's
you.
another thing. You call any call for a freeze tonight tomorrow or something?
I ain't got to put no water in it at all.
I mean, we got to have it for it to run.
Run, yeah.
I mean, you might have to drain it out. Yeah.
So you got to do that every year?
If it comes for a freeze, you want to definitely take the water out. Because see, the ice expand and crack and cause it to crack.
Well, that thing's supposed to have a rubber bottom, ain't it?
Yeah, but that ain't got that big bowls though. But you know, if you put water in anything, you're gonna expand.
Right.
So that's the thing on that. Oh, you ain't got to go that far, boy. You got to go in by the foot, at least a half a foot. Because the thing doesn't get them off. I mean, we still got the distance, then we got to come on. Can't follow my own foot.
Don't hurt yourself. I ain't got no workman comp. Ain't got no workman comp around here. We work for the police department.
Well, you see, you can take it straight to jail, though, huh?
Yeah, I can take y'all to jail now. There go the police car right there. I know, that's right. I'll pass on that one too.
Hey, that fan is good, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. See, I just rusted up.
Yeah, it's good.
Make sure y'all don't throw it away.
Nah, that's my work fan out there.
We got 53 and a half percent.
What it was?
53 and a half. It was 107 inches wide.
Because the pool still, it's going to come out still by the foot.
That side look like it's beat up some. See down on the bottom?
Right here?
Yeah. And on the bottom. See how it's beat right down, come down to the bottom? All right, come on around. Come down, right there. Come down. See how the bottom is all beat up?
Yeah, he dropped that this time. I got touch up paint.
Oh, okay.
That's where you hit this now.
Oh, okay.
But I got touch up paint and touch up everything. It's wax.
He told me he wasn't coming today. It was raining all day.
Well,
Wow.
That's fine, that's fine.
just set it out the way.
Yeah, I jumped my car off this morning.
No.
There it is, y'all. It's here. It's coming in.
That's what I'm saying. Don't be bold around.
Yeah, he told me 9, so.
Don't worry about it. If it don't work, if you want, you put a foot into the side and you get those leaves from out there, those are bottom leaves. But I'm gonna need them bottom leaves to put down first.
We got our pumpkin going and we got our pumpkin going in. Changing the homestead one day at a time, TP Nation. Changing the homestead one day at a time. Let's check out our bowl. There's the big bowl right there. We can see the bowl in there. That's a big bowl too. That's a big old bowl. So we got it going in. The guy told me the pad should have been a little bit bigger, but the owner told me 9 feet. He said it should have been 10 feet, but I think 9 foot is fine because I plan to put some other stuff around it anyway. So I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine because I want to put some, maybe I can come in and do a layer of brick around the bottom of it anyway. Yep, I can do a layer of bricks around it. Yep, we got light system going in, pond lights. We've got fountain pump. We got it all going in, guys. We got it all going in. Alright, I'm not gonna record all of this because it's probably just too long to be watching, but I'll just get some videos of stuff going in. So oh no. There's a liner going in.
That much hangover?
See?
Yeah, you need to.
Okay, good. Dropping already.
Huh?
Okay, my chippers are dropping already. Let's take the corners off.
Because this the hole right in the center. Right there, that's going to be where you are.
Okay. You come this way too.
I got the way tape that. I'm going to pull the truck out the way, I guess.
Hey, y'all might want to take that pedestal off. So they can move up to. That's one thing when you move up. That thing you on it.
There's the big bowl, y'all. There's the big bowl.
You're here.
Yeah, you can go. Yeah, that's close there right now till you get there. Rotate around. That way? Yeah, you're gonna rotate yourself.
Another way?
Yeah. So you're gonna have to pull it back. You can get a little closer. Just rotate around next to you. Yeah, we're gonna have to. So keep it up. Okay. You got to go somewhere. That's probably on this thing.
Come on back to the roof. We'll just come back up.
TP Nation. All right, I'm showing y'all the videos of the water fountain, and let me let you see what the water fountain looks like with the water running. What do y'all think? This is with the water fountain running. That's with the water fountain running. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to TaylorsPride. Peace.